Alright you guys, we're here today for an epic event, Mario Kart in real life. Here we have Mario.
Without a hat. We lost the hat. Don't know what happened to the hat.
And we have Luigi.
It's me, Mario. Here we go.
All day yesterday we planned out an entire course, 3 laps.
3 laps?
3 laps.
Wow.
So you got a lot of time to catch up, so we're gonna run you through it. So bikers, we start this way. This is the starting line. We come this way. Hard right drift, hard right drift.
Hard right? It's not really a hard right.
If you're going fast, it is. Okay,
Mediocre
stop.
stop.
We have 2 item boxes, okay? If you press them, they do make a very satisfying ASMR type sound. If we hear you click one, that's a sign that you get an item. Let's go this way. You go up this bank, and if you click it, you get one of these green shells. These green shells are meant for throwing. Okay. So we're gonna hand it to you as you're going up.
Hand it to us as we're going up.
Oh yeah, dude, you're fine. So you have this green shell, let's say Fetty's in front of you. If you throw it at him, or he throws it at you and you get hit, you have to come to a complete stop. All right, we're gonna be reffing you, so you need to come to a complete
With
stop.
no break.
Yep, and then you need to stop, and then you can keep going again. So we come up here. Hard right.
Hard right. Hard rhino.
Drift around the curve. Down the bank. Oh! Hard right, hard left. Drift around here. Stop. You have another chance for an item. Click this, you get a red shell.
So this is heat seek shell.
This is heat seek shell, so since we can't actually do that in real life, if you press that and you get a red shell, you automatically have to stop. So let's say like you get a red shell, then he automatically has to stop the second you throw it, even if you hit him or not. Okay. It's an honor system. Nigel's gonna be on people. All right. You drift around right here. Squeeze through these 2 boxes. Now you gotta drift hard left. You gotta come on the inside of this.
On the inside corner. Okay.
Now this is your speed run area right here. This is where you gotta get all the speed. And then you gotta drift around this corner. Right here is the finish line to start lap 2. Does anyone have any questions? The green shell you have to throw. You only have to stop if you get hit. The red shell, automatic. No matter if you hit him or not, you have to stop.
Okay.
Just making sure that's clear.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right.
So basically, Fetty, who's a professional drift biker, versus me, who can't even ride a bicycle. This is fair.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go!
strategizing on my stopping.
That was exhausting.
You guys did really well.
I had this perfect plan to stop him before the bank, and he was like, oh, I'm just not gonna stop. I'm gonna stop after the bank.
Hey, you threw 2 red shells at me, so you threw a green and 2 reds. Right there, that's how you got in front.
Well, that was fine. Somebody else want to ride?
Yeah, Nigel?
Troy? I don't know if my legs reach.
That's what we'll do. We'll have Nigel and Troy race, and then we can do the winner of each race do the final Champions Cup. Let's do it.
I'm about to be real
What did we
tired.
get ourselves into?
You guys ready?
Oh, jeez, we're doing this?
3, 2, 1.
I'm going backwards.
Troy, you gotta stop!
Oh no! I messed myself up! I'll probably have to stop. I'm gonna stop because I assumed you pick up the red shell.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. Oh god.
Okay. God, this is tiring.
Oh!
You gotta stop, Diamond.
You gotta stop, Troy.
Can you pick it up yet?
Now you gotta stop.
How many more laps?
One more.
Oh man.
Last one.
My legs are too short. I'm just gonna go. Dude, oh my gosh. Was that close?
Oh, I was honest that whole thing because I missed the button.
Troy skipped half the track.
Yeah, you did.
That was the secret shortcut.
Yeah.
That was fun.
3, 2, 1!
He never said
Oh, he never said go. Go!
I'm waiting. I went the opposite
When you get it, it's done.
Fix that.
That was a throw!
Seems we have a champion.
I thought I had it. He got lucky. There wasn't enough room to pass him.
Well done.
Thank you.
Mario Kart champ.
Mario Kart champ, Game of Skate champ.
Razor, sponsor this man.
Yes, they need to make whole courses for these.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a blast making it. If you want us to see us make us that one again, congratulate Fetty on his championship victory. And leave it in the comments below if you want to see us do it again. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below. Click right here to go to all the other videos in this series playlist. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below.